In this video, I am going to be talking about the retirement system, and I am going to be using Nigeria as a case study in this video. But before then, please do like this video, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on the notification button such that anytime I post an inspiring video like this, you get to watch it for sure. So I am going to be using Nigeria as a case study in this video concerning the retirement system. So in the Nigerian constitution, it is stipulated concerning retirement that once an individual is 60 years of age, that individual becomes eligible for retirement. So we have 60 years of age and 35 years of active service. So the 35 years of active service, most people actually don't serve for 35 years because the 60 years threshold usually catch up with most people. Therefore, they don't get to work for the government for 35 years. And if you don't work for the government for 35 years, your earning definitely stops as you stop working. So this brings us to the superiority of owning your own business other than working for the government. So the other day I was watching the video of Mr. James of the School of Hard Knocks, where he was interviewing the richest man in Africa, Alhaji Aliko Dangote. He got to a point and he asked Alhaji, "How old are you?" And Alhaji told him, "I am currently 69 years old." Whereas someone that is working for the government would have retired 9 years prior. But Alhaji, at 69 years old, is still running his business. So what this video is trying to tell us is there is nothing that is much more profitable than doing your own business, if you can. Of course, it is not everybody that can be able to run a business. The lazy ones cannot actually run a business and make it successful. So in Nigeria of today, to get a job after graduating from the university is a very serious task. Someone will graduate from school, it takes some people actually 10 years, some persons even more, to get a job. So you can imagine someone that just left the university at 28 years old. That person will begin to search for a job for the next 10 years. So at that time, that person is already 39 years old. 39 years old. So luckily for the person, he secures a job with the government. So just listen to me. Just listen to my analogy. At 38 years old, that person secures a job with the government. It means the 35 years of active service automatically is out of the way for that kind of person. So at that point, for some persons at 37, 38 years old, are not yet married. Why? Because they have not been working all this while they left the university. So if you are not working actively to earn salary, as it is called, how then can you be able to marry? So at 38 years old, you secure a job with the government. Subsequently, you get a wife and settles down as a family man. Maybe around 39, 40. So you are left with just 20 years to do anything you want to do. Maybe as at the time you got yourself a wife, like you start a family of your own, you are already 39, 40. So in the next 20 years, you are supposed to get your shit together, like you're supposed to get a lot of things together. You're supposed to get your dream house, which is to some degree is not possible for a salary earner. You know, you're supposed to do a lot of things within 20 years because you have to do these things within the years of active service. So, like I said earlier, this is where the superiority of doing your own thing comes in. So, once you get to 60 years of age, and you are still very much active, like you can still do a lot of things, just like the way Alhaji is still running his business at 69 years old, you're still going to be retired, because it is stipulated in the Nigerian constitution that once you are 60 years old, you get retired. For some professionals, they say it is 65, like medical doctors, pharmacists that are working for the government. Their own is extended by 5 years. So, whereas someone in the private sector doing his own thing, I know a lot of persons out there, even at 75 years old, if they can actually go out to their office, they are still very much active in their business. For instance, the founder of KFC, that is Kentucky Fried Chicken, founded the company when he was in his 60s, 64 years old if I'm not mistaken. So you can imagine someone that founded that business within the age that in Nigeria, such person is considered as a retiree, as in you are supposed to be resting, don't do any other thing. Before you know, confusion sets in. Before you know, confusion sets in your 60s. But for the founder of KFC, that is the time the man actually started his business. And today, KFC restaurant is all over the world. Anywhere you go to, you see KFC. And the founder started this company when he was 64 years old. This once again shows the superiority of doing your own thing. So, I am making this video to inspire you out there. Though business is not meant for everybody, but if you have anything going on in your life currently, no matter how small it is, find a way to scale it to a reasonable level in life, so that tomorrow you will not be stranded. So that tomorrow, even though you are working for the government currently, at least have your own little business going on for you, so that tomorrow keep grooming the business, so that tomorrow you have something to fall back to. Not the one that after retirement they give you your gratuity and before you know, a lot of persons have actually gone to the other world through retirement because of whereas their counterpart that are doing their own businesses, you see someone at 70 still going out to the office. So it is very, very important. Business of your own. For me, I don't know about you, it's much more important than working for the government, as a lot of persons call it in Nigeria these days. So if you think I'm wrong in this video, you can leave it in the comments. So at this point, I call it a wrap. Don't forget to please like this video and of course subscribe to this channel, as I'll be bringing you more inspiring videos like this. Peace and love.